Beautiful day. Another beautiful day. Ocean County, Jackson, New Jersey. Let's go. And we're fixing a big whole house injector pump. The whole house on the forced main. They don't have a gravity sewer, so we install huge 10-foot deep double grinder pump. Let's see what we got here. You guys know this guy with many hats, Paul's and JPD, everything. Let's go. But we're going over there. That's what plumbers do. We go deep. Back in the main motion.
So if you look here, we got both pumps in, both mounting brackets have been changed. Okay, both mounting brackets are changed. On the sewer pump over here. Whatever it takes to get the job done, guys. It's NJPD, perfect air and water.